Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Linear Equations in One Variable. The given question is the digits of a two-digit number differ by 3. If the digits are interchanged and the resulting number is added to the original number, we get 143. What can be the original number? So guys, let us see how we can answer this type of questions. Here the question is telling us the digits of a two-digit number differ by 3. If the digits are interchanged and the resulting number is added to the original number, we get 143. What can be the original number? So guys, this question is little bit important question. So let us try to understand this. Let me first of all take one example so that it will be easy for us to understand. Now the digits of a two-digit number. For example, if I write a two-digit number as 65, this is an example. For example, if my two-digit number is 65, now the digits of a two-digit number differ by 3. Here the difference is 6 minus 5 is 1. So that doesn't matter, but let us try to understand. The digits of a two-digit number differ by 5. If the digits are interchanged and the resulting number is added to the original number. So if the original number is 65, now the number is interchanged. That means instead of 65, I took it as 56. That means the number got interchanged. So if the digits are interchanged and the resulting number is added to the original number, we get 143. Here in our example, what we will get? We will get 121. So what is that question is asking us? The original number is 65. When we interchange it and add it, we are getting a particular number. Here in our case, we are getting 121, but we will later on look into the question. Now, the main fundamental thing or the main thing, let us try to understand. Here 65 can be written as 65 can be written as, how we can write 65? 65 can be written as 6 into 10. That means 6 is in the 10th place. 6 into 10, that is equal to 60. And then 5 is in the units place. 5 into 1, that is equal to 5. And all together, if we add, we will get 65. This is what we are getting for 65. Similarly, for 56 can be written as 5 into 10, that is equal to 50. And 6 can be written as 6 into 1, because 5 is in the 10th place and 6 is at the units place. So 5 at the 10th place, 6 at the units place. So what we got when we add, we got 56. That means for this thing, instead of 65 plus 56 is equal to 121, I can write in other words as 60 plus 5 plus 50 plus 6, that is equal to 121. Hope guys you are understanding what I am trying to explain you. So instead of this 65 plus 56 is equal to 121, now I am writing 60 plus 5. That means here it is 60 plus 5, that is equal to 65 plus 50 plus 6, that is here 50 and 6. Hope guys you are understanding this. Now after understanding this concept, after understanding this thing, now let us try to consider the two-digit number, or let us now look into our question. The question is asking us the digits of a two-digit number. So guys, we do not know this two-digit number. Let the two-digit number be xy. Let the two-digit number be xy. Because we do not know this two-digit number that the question is asking us. Let the two-digit number be xy, because we do not know this number. Now for the time being, imagine here instead of 6 I am writing x, and instead of 5 I am writing y. Similarly, if I interchange the numbers, my number will become yx, and here I will get whatever the question will ask. Now the question told us let the two-digit number be xy. Now what we got? We got the two-digit number is xy. Now if the digits are interchanged and the resulting number is added to the original number, we get 143. Let us write this part first. first. If the digits are interchanged, that means xy plus it is added, the interchange digits are added to the original number. So our original number is xy, we are adding the interchange number, that is yx. The result is 143 as per the question. So this is what being given in the question. Hope guys you are understanding what I am telling. It's very clear. So what we got? We got xy plus yx is equal to 143. Now guys, as per our example, now as per the example that I have shown here, now xy I can write in this way, and similarly yx also I can write in this way. Now let us write xy in the way that I have shown 65 and 56. So I can write xy as x into 10, because x is in the 10th place, that is 10x, and y as y into 1, that is y is in the units place. So instead of y1 is a y. So that means what we got, or what we are getting, 10x plus y. So 10x plus y for xy. For xy we are getting 10x plus y. Similarly, let us represent, or let us rewrite yx. Let us rewrite yx. Yx I can write y into 10, that is equal to 10y, y into 1, that x into 1, because x is in the units place, x into 1, that is equal to x. So I am getting 10y plus x. Hope guys I am very clear what I am trying to explain. Now the equation that we got, or the equation that the question has given us is xy plus yx is equal to 143. Or I can expand this one and write, instead of xy I can write 10x plus y plus 10y plus x is equal to 143. From where I am getting all these things? I am considering these things. From this line item and from this line item. So what we got? We got 10x plus y plus 10y plus x is equal to 143. Hope guys I am very clear what I am telling here. Hope guys we are very clear. Now let us move the x variables together and y variables together, so that it would be easy for us to solve. 10x plus x plus y plus 10y is equal to 143. Or I can write 11x plus 11y is equal to 143. How 11? 10x plus x is 11x, y plus 10y is 11y. Or I can write, taking 11 as the common, I can write x plus y is equal to 143. Hope guys you are understanding what I am trying to tell. Hope guys we are very clear. Or I can write, or 11x plus y divided by 11 is equal to 143 divided by 11. What I am doing here? Dividing both sides by 11. Why I am dividing both sides by 11? In order to eliminate this 11, I am dividing both sides by 11. In order to eliminate this 11, I need to divide this 11 by 11. If I am dividing this 11 by 11, I need to also divide the other side of the equation by 11. For that reason, I am dividing both sides of the equation by 11. Now, hope guys I am very clear what I am telling here. Hope guys we are very clear. Hope guys we are very clear what I am trying to explain. Now I can write, what I can write, or x plus y is equal to, this 11 cancels out, is equal to 143 divided by 11. 11 ones are 11, 11 threes are 33. That means 13 into 11 is 143. So what we got here, or what we are getting here, we got x plus y is equal to 13. Let it be equation number 1. Now guys, let us look into the question once again. The question is telling us the digits of a 2-digit number differ by 3. How? The digits of a 2-digit number differ by 3. And if you look here, we have assumed, the 2-digit number to be xy. If you look here, we have assumed the 2-digit number to be xy. Now the digits of a 2-digit number differ by 3. That means the question is telling us if the number is xy, that means ax minus y. The digits of a 2-digit number differ by 3. That means ax minus y is equal to 3. This is what being given in the question. Ax minus y is equal to 3. Or I can write. Hope guys you understood from where I got this one. The question is telling us the digits of a 2-digit number differ by 3. That means the first number minus second number is equal to 3. And we have assumed the number to be xy. So x minus y is equal to 3. Or I can write, or x is equal to 3 plus y. What we got? We got x is equal to 3 plus y. Now let it be equation number 2. Let this be equation number 2. Now let us replace the value of equation number 2 in equation number 1. Please try to understand. Let us replace the value of equation number 2 in equation number 1. So equation number 1 says us x plus y is equal to 13. Or I can write 3 plus y. Instead of x I am replacing it with 3 plus y. Plus y is equal to 13. What I am doing here? Replacing the value of x. From equation number 1. Replacing the value of x from equation number 1 in equation number 2. Hope guys you are understanding what I am trying to tell. So equation number 1, replacing the value of x from equation number 2, not equation number 1. Replacing the value of x from equation number 2, in equation number 1. This is what I did here. Hope guys I'm very clear. Let us not get confused. So equation number 1 is x plus y is equal to 13. Instead of x, I took the value as 3 plus y from equation number 2 and I replaced it. So what we got? We got 3 plus y is equal to 13. Or I can write 3 plus y is equal to 13. Guys, I'm moving very slowly step by step so that you people can understand. Or I can write 3 plus 2y is equal to 13. Or I can write 2y is equal to 13 minus 3. What I am doing here? I just moved this 3 from left hand side to right hand side. That means transposing plus 3 from left hand side to right hand side. Hope guys you are understanding. This is I am very clear till here. This is little bit confusing. We need to understand this one. So what we got? We got 2y is equal to 13 minus 3. How? I moved plus 3 from left hand side to right hand side. Or I can write 2y is equal to 10. Or 2y divided by 2 is equal to 10 divided by 2. What I am doing here? Dividing both sides by 2. Why I want to divide both sides by 2? So that I can eliminate these 2 from y. In order to eliminate these 2 from y, I need to divide that 2 from 2. I need to divide these 2 by 2 so that I can eliminate the 2. If I am dividing something to the left side of the equation, I should also do the same thing to the right side of the equation. For that reason, dividing both sides by 2. Or I can write 2y divided by 2 is y. Y is equal to 5. How 5? These two cancels out. We are left with 2y only, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. 2 5s are 10. Hope guys I'm very clear till here. What I got or what we got y is equal to 5. Now if we got y is equal to 5. This is one of the important number we got. What we got? We got y is equal to 5. This is what we got. Now we assumed the original number to be xy. We assumed the original number to be xy, and as per equation number 2, x minus y, as per equation number 2, just look here at equation number 2, x is equal to 3 plus y. If you look here to equation number 2, x is equal to 3 plus y. So let us replace the value of y in equation number 2 now. Now let us replace the value of y in equation number 2. Here what we got? X is equal to here what we got? We got as per equation number 2, x is equal to 3 plus y. Now let me replace the value of y is equal to 3 plus 5. From where I got this value of y? I took the value of y from this step. We got the value of y as 5. So x is equal to, we are getting 8. So we got x is equal to 8, and initially we got y is equal to 5. So our number, the number that we have assumed is xy. So instead of x now I can write 8, and instead of y I can write 85. Hope guys you are understanding. This is the number, 85 is the number. Now if you want, we can check our answer. The question was telling us 85, if the original number is 85 minus the interchange of number, that is 58. 85 minus 58, if we interchange the number, what we are getting? If we interchange the number, the question was telling us if we interchange the number and if we add the number to the original number, we are getting 143. Just check. 5 plus 8 is 13. 8 plus 5 is 13 plus 1 is 143. So this is what, and this satisfies the question condition that the question was asking us. So hence the original number, let us look into the question once again so that we can write our concluding answer. The question is asking us, if you look here to the original question, the question is asking us what can be the original number? What can be the original number? So let us write our concluding answer. The question is telling us what can be the original number. What can be the original number? So we can write, hence the original number is, hence the original number is 85. Hope guys you understood this. This is really little bit confusing, but if you understand the question, then this becomes very easy. But guys, if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe and let your friends know. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.